Hello and welcome to TechNation, where we tackle the important questions in life, like why your grandma needs an iPhone. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of technology for seniors, and we're not afraid to say it. Grandmas deserve to be tech-savvy too. In this video, we're going to explore the benefits of modern technology for the golden ages, and why you should encourage your grandma to upgrade from her flip phone. So buckle up, grab your grandma's reading glasses, and let's get started. Welcome to the world of technology for seniors, where we believe age is just a number, and grandma deserves to have the latest and greatest gadgets just like the rest of us. We're breaking down the barriers and proving that it's never too late to learn something new. So let's dive into the world of tech for the golden ages and show them what they've been missing out on. We know what you're thinking. Why on earth would grandma need an iPhone? But hear us out, folks. With its sleek design, easy-to-use interface, and endless features, the iPhone is the perfect tool for seniors to stay connected, entertained, and safe. And don't worry, grandma won't turn into a tech zombie overnight. We'll show her how to use it in no time. So let's grab a cup of tea and start exploring why grandma needs an iPhone. Keeping in touch with family and friends has never been easier, thanks to modern technology. And let's face it, grandma needs all the social interaction she can get. She's been cooped up with grandpa for too long. With an iPhone, she can stay in touch with loved ones near and far, without ever leaving her rocking chair. Video calls for face-to-face chats. No more long-distance charges. Now grandma can chat with her grandkids in Australia without spending a fortune on phone bills. With the iPhone's video call feature, she can see their smiling faces and feel like she's right there with them. And who knows, maybe they'll even teach her how to use Snapchat. Text messaging, emoji game on point. If you thought grandma's handwriting was hard to read, just wait until you see her texts. But with an iPhone, she can let her inner emoji master shine and communicate with the grandkids in a language they actually understand. Plus, autocorrect will save her from embarrassing typos. No more accidentally sending texts to the wrong person. Sorry, grandpa. Online shopping from the comfort of her own home. Why brave the crowded stores when you can shop in your pajamas? With an iPhone, grandma can browse and purchase anything her heart desires, from cat sweaters to bingo doorbells, all without ever leaving the house. And with the touch of a button, her purchases can be delivered right to her doorstep. What more could she ask for? GPS for easy navigation. No more getting lost on the way to bingo. Let's face it, grandma's sense of direction isn't what it used to be. But with an iPhone, she'll never get lost on the way to bingo again. The GPS feature will guide her to her destination, so she can arrive in style and ready to win big. And if she forgets where she parked, no worries. The iPhone will guide her right back to her car. Voice assistants. Hey Siri, remind me to take my pills. It's hard to keep track of everything when you're a busy grandma. But with an iPhone, she can have her own personal assistant at her beck and call. Hey Siri, remind me to take my pills. And just like that, grandma will never forget to take her daily dose of Metamucil again. And with the iPhone's voice recognition, she won't even have to take her dentures out to use it. Access to endless streaming of movies, TV shows, and music. Gone are the days of limited TV channels and having to rewind VHS tapes. With an iPhone, grandma can access endless entertainment at her fingertips. She can binge watch her favorite shows, listen to her favorite tunes, and discover new movies, all without ever leaving the comfort of her favorite armchair. Candy Crush never gets old. Who says gaming is just for kids? With an iPhone, grandma can join in on the fun too. Whether she's playing Candy Crush or Words with Friends, she'll have a blast challenging her grandkids to a little friendly competition. And who knows, maybe she'll even become a gaming pro. Move over, Fortnite. Grandma can finally join Facebook and share those cute cat videos. It's time for grandma to join the digital age and hop on the social media train. With an iPhone, she can finally share those cute cat videos with the world, or at least her friends and family. And who knows, maybe she'll even become an influencer. #grandma goals. Quick access to medical information and emergency contacts. It's important to keep grandma safe and sound, and an iPhone can help with that. With just a few taps, she can access important medical information and emergency contacts, so she's prepared for anything. And with the iPhone's built-in emergency SOS feature, help is just a button press away. Grandma will be ready to handle any situation like a boss. Unfortunately, scammers and fraudsters love to prey on vulnerable seniors. But with an iPhone, Grandma can stay one step ahead of the game. With advanced security features like Touch ID and Face ID, she can protect her phone from prying eyes. And with the iPhone's built-in scam and fraud detection, she can avoid getting duped by those pesky phone scammers. From staying in touch with loved ones to streaming her favorite shows, an iPhone can do it all for Grandma. With easy-to-use features like video calls, GPS navigation, and voice assistance, she'll wonder how she ever lived without one. And with the added peace of mind of emergency and security features, an iPhone is the perfect companion for any senior. It's never too late to learn something new. Learning something new can be scary, but with an iPhone, it's never been easier. Encourage your grandma to upgrade and discover all the amazing things she can do with an iPhone. Who knows, maybe she'll become a tech-savvy grandma in no time. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of technology for seniors. We hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and don't forget to share them with your favorite senior citizens.